The Layer Settings panel contains some per-layer settings you can use to customize each layer. By selecting one of these colored swatches, you can change the background surrounding the visibility icon to the left of each layer. This color can be applied to both layers and groups. Color coding can be especially useful if you have complex compositions with a lot of layers. It could be as simple as highlighting the current layer you are working on so you don't lose track of it. Or you could use it to group similar layers or groups together. If I show you this work in progress, you can see it has tons of layers sorted into groups. By adding colors to the Layers panel, I can further visually distinguish similar objects or regions of the composition. In this case, all the wildlife is labeled with gray. The lighting effects are purple, the land is green, the sky is blue, the architecture is red, and so on. I tried to match the color labels to the general hue of the objects. It's much faster to navigate all of these labels if I don't have to read all of them. I can quickly look for a green label to find my land when I want to work on it. There are some land layers for grass details, but they are not included in the land groups. That's no problem. I have this convenient reminder that this stuff is green, and therefore it is part of the land. There are so many ways you can use these labels, so I encourage you to try this feature yourself.